Throughout this week, I want to offer some reflections on this question. The question is, what is our mission as lay people in the church? What is our calling? What are we called to do for God and his people because, and specifically because, we are lay people? And I want to offer these reflections in light of the social teaching of the church, the documents of Vatican II, and some of the other documents of the popes. So today, I want to talk about that very basic question. What is our mission as lay people? And I want to quote from the Vatican II document on the church, Lumen Gentium, which says this: the laity, by their very vocation, seek the kingdom of God by engaging in temporal affairs and by ordering them according to the plan of God. So, what do the bishops of Vatican II mean by temporal affairs? Well, they mean all of those activities that we take part in everyday life. The activities of family, work, neighborhood, parish, community, and nation. But the document says that we're called to order these temporal affairs, order our family and work and neighborhood and community according to the plan of God. And this is what makes our calling so special and so different. Because to order temporal affairs according to the plan of God means that we're called to build unity in a world where there is division, to be peacemakers in a world in which there is conflict, to embrace equality in a world where there is too much bigotry, to help other people to thrive rather than to hold them down. In short, to show the love of God to them. This is how we are to order temporal affairs according to the plan of God. And this engagement and ordering of temporal affairs, this is our mission as God's people, the church.